Let's start by preparing our burgul. For this recipe we will use 2 cups, which is about 300 grams, 150 grams per cup. All you have to do is pour some hot boiling water on it. Equal amount of hot boiling water to burgul. 2 cups of hot water. Now set that aside and wait for it to absorb the water. It should take a maximum of 10 minutes. Make sure it doesn't become cold. Cover and set it aside. In those 10 minutes, you can start to cut some cucumbers. Get your chopping board. The great thing about the salad is I won't bore you with the measurement or the amount you can add. You can add as much as you like or as little as you like. The only rule that you need to follow is to keep the amount of burgul more than the vegetables. Cut shape for the cucumber can be any shape. You can do round, square, matchstick, length, whatever your heart desire. Once you're finished cutting the cucumbers, set them aside. Now we can turn our attention to the tomatoes. You can either use cherry tomatoes or regular tomatoes. The amount is the same rule as the cucumber. Do not exceed the burgul amount. You should aim for equal amounts of cucumber and tomatoes to balance things out. Cut shape for the tomatoes, again, round, halfway, like what I'm doing, or if you're going with regular tomatoes, you can also go with cube, whatever you see right. It's very important to start the step while the burgul is hot or warm. It should not be cold. The reason you want your burgul to be warm is to bring out the spices and heat them up a little bit. Add in some salt, black pepper, smoked paprika or regular paprika, and tomato paste, some pomegranate molasses. Mix all those ingredients well until your burgul turns red. Set that aside and let's start assembling the salad. Now comes the mixing process. Get your serving bowl. Add in the burgul. Use something better than a fork to get the burgul out. A rubber spatula is perfect. After pouring it, even it out. Add in cucumbers, tomatoes, mix everything together. A good practice is to mix the cucumbers and the tomatoes just to get an idea of the balance. Maybe you need more tomatoes or more cucumbers to balance the look. I know that a lot of people have a problem with cilantro, saying that it tastes like soap. Do not worry, if you hate cilantro, you can skip this step and add green onion instead, or scallions. Just consider it an optional step. If you're going with cilantro, just give them a rough chop and add them in. Another mix. Finally, for the dressing, we will keep it simple. Just add a juice of 1 lemon, some olive oil. That's it. Pour the mixture in. Mix it in. Give it another taste. Make sure that everything is balanced. For me, it needed more pomegranate molasses. Just before serving, make sure that you taste the salad to make sure that everything comes together. For serving, you have 2 options. Serve it as a salad or as a starter. What you need to do to serve it as a starter is to get some baby lettuce. Break the individual leaves. Add in your bulgur mixture to the baby lettuce, just like that. And now it's ready to be served. Enjoy. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving us a thumbs up and sharing the videos with your friends who like salads. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you in the next video.